Welcome, 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 welcome.
If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
Welcome to a few more days of skate progression. Okay, this had to be one of those disappointing days. I really didn't have fun that day. Focus. Never mind, I'm just going to go. Bye. I just got back. So I felt that today. So I skated after a week. So I think I forgot. I felt that I forgot how to keep my foot and all of that. But I got tired really soon. And I was wearing full sleeves. Oh my god. And that was day 4, I guess. Okay, so this dog was in the middle of the court and it was not ready to move at all. I tried to move to the side so that it doesn't get hurt, but then I just gave up.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you listen, and you listen.
Okay, I blame the dog.
And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
Okay, so if you look at this carefully, I finally learned how to keep my legs parallel to one another and perpendicular to the board. Almost.
What you say?
think I'm done for the day. Or maybe not. Because I have only one rule. Do not stop until you break your bones or your board. More to the front. So I handed the camera to a few kids who promised me to record the whole thing in exchange for letting them skate on the board. Weirdly, on the way back home, I saw a fish on the road. Weird. Very weird. So I have to say, this has been one of the best practice days yet. for the past few days, all I practiced was to stand properly on the board. I remember earlier my legs used to be perpendicular and now they are parallel. This way I have balance and it's so much more easier to take turns, both left and right. You can follow me on Instagram, I post daily clippings there. So that's it for my progression.
Darling,